Gang, we are so back. Good morning, how are we all? And if you're new here, hello. If you've been following, you know where we're up to. We are trying anything in the UK to make money. And today, if you're new or if you've been following, it's going to be a bit of a fun one and different to usual. So usually you see me go and find stock, which I am about to do. I'm going to a car boot, so let's see what we can get. But afterwards, I'm coming home, I've got some football to watch, I've got photos to take, I've got to list items, same as every day. You know the process. But this evening, because I like an adventure, and it's Summer Solstice, I am going to drive 2.5 hours to Stonehenge, and I'm going to spend the night there with the hippies and the druids, and yeah, see what's happening and see the sunset. As well, you know that we just started the gym, and we're staying motivated. Saturday is supposed to be my leg day, and I know it doesn't involve my arm, but whatever I did at the gym yesterday, I've absolutely fucked it up. So I am actually going to take today off, and because I'm going to be doing an all-nighter, if I can make it tomorrow, I will still go to the gym tomorrow, or just my weekly routine. I'm going to swap the Saturday and the Sunday around. But yeah, so this is the day. Let's go to start with to post my sales. Then I need to get all the way to the car boot. It's about 25 minutes. What's the beeping? 25 minutes to get there. And then hopefully find as much cheap stock as possible. I have £100 with me. I don't really want to spend all of it unless I get 100 items of clothing or good stuff and they're all £1. But I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of prices that annoy me. So I just need to see what I can get to tick me over. It's a lot easier for me doing this, going to a car boot and getting stock when I can, rather than getting stock close by here, rather than having to go to Birmingham, which I am happy to do. If I need to go once a week, I will do it, because Birmingham has been paying off. You get £1 items or £2 items. It's the same as a car boot, but you get to handpick from a load of clothes. Whereas at the car boot, some people don't sell clothes, or if they do, you know, you've really got to rummage, and a lot of it isn't very good. So yeah, that's the plan for the day. But yeah, welcome back to the channel. If you've got this far, please like for me. If you're new here and you like the sound of making money really easily in the UK, and you love the sound of this voice and you want to see this face more often, click that subscribe button, because it really helps me. And let's get on with the day, gang. Hopefully we can find some absolute bangers whilst we're there. I just finished at the car boot and I got carried away, so I forgot to film, but I spent £96 and I've got a whole boot full of stuff and a whole bag full of stuff. This is like a camping mat. Well, I'm going to use it as a camping mat. And I've got 3 mystery bags, £1 each. Now it's time to go home, show you what I got, and have a look at these mystery bags. Hopefully we can make our money back, but we shall see. I also got 5 Monopolies for basically like 12 quid, and one of the guys that I bought it off, I asked him how much. He was like, oh, £4 each. He was like, oh, you're on Facebook at the moment, aren't you? I was like, yeah. He was like, oh, legend. He's like, don't worry, you can have all 4 for a tenner. I was like, sound. My fans are out there, they're growing, and I love to see it. But yeah, I'm gonna get home and then we'll go from there, right? And I'll show you what I've got. Gang, this is the haul. It is ridiculous. There's 90 items. I basically paid 90 quid. So £1 each, which is insane. I can't be asked to go through all of it like I normally do, so I'm just going to do it brief. But Into Miami hat. I got some brand new socks. Got 4 of these Budweiser bum bags. Pokemon Encyclopedia. Some women's stuff. These are both brand new. I got 5 Monopolies. I got 3 Berghaus fleeces. There's US Polo Assassin, Lidl. I can't remember. That's Nutmeg, and I sold one of them really well fast last time, so I picked it up. An Alessi Army bomber. Then I got Tommy jeans. There's also Next jeans. There's Puma joggers. There's Champion joggers.
It says more Levi's, Adidas, cargo pants. Here is like Adidas. We've got Vans. We've got Tommy Hilfiger. We've got a Patronus, Mercedes top, fat face shirt. Rohan is very expensive. I've got a Rohan shirt for 50p. Some Superdry, again Tommy Hilfiger. Here we've got some kids bits. Tommy, a bomber jacket, Abercrombie and Fitch, and a Zara coat. Shorts, we've got Nike. I've actually got a pair of Carhartt shorts, which are sick. I might actually keep them. These, like cargo. Again, 50p, ridiculous. I've got this to kind of sleep on if I want to camp maybe tonight at the at Stonehenge, and a tie beanie. Then here is jumpers, hoodies, and yeah, done well. Now I've got loads of excess stock. I've got all of my expensive stuff that's going to work for me. I'm going to, even if I list a few more each day, and it's some of these and they go up for like £3 or £4, that's fine. It will tick me over, it will bring me more profit. And realistically, almost everything there, if I've paid £1, you should at least get £3 or £4 for. So you're tripling or quadrupling it, and some items are going to get a lot more. So we've done quite well. I'm happy with that. Now I need to organise this somewhere in that other room, find a box or something I can store it all in, and then yeah. But I need a break. I need to eat. I need to take photos. I need to list, and I need to have a big sleep because I'm going to be up all night. So yeah, I will come back to you, but if I don't, it's just because I'm busy. You've seen it, you know what we're doing, and I want you to enjoy seeing when we're at Stonehenge tonight. So I might leave this for here for now. Actually, I need to use the steamer, don't I? Fuck it. If I use it today and it goes well, I'll show you how to use it, what to do. And yeah, see you later, gang. Absolutely fuming. Do you remember on one of my last videos when I told you about that police fine that I got from parking, which I was just collecting some stuff for a friend that had a broken pelvis? Anyway, nothing happened with that. I paid it. I paid 60 quid. I just have a new one come through for going in a bus lane. That's not the end of it. I got another one a minute later going through a bus lane. Now the thing with these aren't even my fault either. I went to see my girlfriend, we came out of the cinema, and the sat-nav didn't work, I didn't know where I was. I asked her where to go, she said, oh, that way, you can get out that way. I've gone through it and I said, are you sure we can drive this way? Like, I'm sure I'll end up getting a fine or something. I didn't see any sign or anything about it. And now I've got 2 more fines come through. Fucking government, I fucking hate them. This is why I'll never... anyway, this is what it fucking is, isn't it? I can't win. We're back, gang. I have had quite a few sales today, which is nice, because I've been moaning about it. I've got a box there of one, a box there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait, 1, 5, 7, decent. They're alright as well, so, and 2 of them were things I listed on eBay, like the first day I started. I don't know if it's because they've just relisted themselves after 30 days, but brilliant news. I also told you I'm going to be going to Summer Solstice tonight at Stonehenge. I've packed my bag, I've got a mug of tea because I'm addicted, I've got 2 wraps, and I've got a blanket and some spare clothes in case it gets cold. And I have to apologise. I did tell you I was going to be changing what I was doing today, did all of those bits, and going to Summer Solstice. I've decided I'm going to end this video here and leave you on a cliffhanger. So you're going to have to subscribe, like, and follow for the next one to see it. I'm going to make a whole long video of it. I'll vlog a bit when I'm there. And yeah, show you that my life isn't just this. When I have time and I want to go and do things, this is why I want to be self-employed. So again, if you've got this far, thank you for watching. If you're annoyed at me for doing this, let me know in the comments, because comments are good for me. And yeah, thank you, gang. See you on the next one.